we have additional questions here by Bernard Santos. So,
Sir Bernard.
Si Sir Bernard. At dahil nasabi ko yung pangalan nyo, meron po kayong limited edition Luna Aura tumbler. So, thank you so much for sending in this question, na special mention. What are the positive effects to yourself after using Hope Glow Super?
Yeah, as I'm saying, I don't break out anymore, and my skin is super protected. Although I'm always on the beach, I don't have to worry about anything. So of course, if I'm like, you know, medyo... Hope Glow really saves me. Like,
Magasin ka ulit, Mars.
Just have no time to do all the regimens now. Yeah.
Ito po, Mars.
Goes a long way.
Nakakatuwa ng Hope Glow Super. Thank you so much to all the distributors who are here. John,
You're glowing every day. That's me.
Loading yata nila white.
and you know what you said na about glowing, no?
Yeah.
Glowing really is in the inside. And that's what you said earlier. So hindi lang siya yung nakikita nyo sa labas. And that is why we're here to reframe the typecasted glutathione na papatuloy lang siya, outside lang siya, but it's holistically beyond whitening. Diba?
What's nice with Hope Glow Super is it has oral sunblock. I'm sure you've noticed that Sophia loves doing outdoor activities, going to the beach. So the oral sunblock really protects your skin.
May stiff neck yan, Mars.
I don't break out anymore. That's what I noticed. Yung interview ko kanina, I would like to share it with you. Sabi ko nga, I'm not gonna stand the brand if I don't believe in it. So I'm here, and I'm super excited for you guys to try it because I do believe in this product.
I'm so happy you said that. And I'm so happy you're here also. So thank you so much, Sophia. Now, what would you say to people who think taking glutathione to lighten the color of your skin carries a stigma? That you're not proud of your natural color?
For me, I don't judge them. If they want to have brighter skin, then go for it. If that's gonna make you feel so confident. Like me, changing the color of my hair, or like, you know, iba-iba tayo ng gusto. And if it helps you, your soul,
Kaya pa.
and your mind, I'm all for that. Kasi mental health is very important. And I'm not gonna judge anyone. I know they've been going through a lot, and I'm not gonna take it against them.
Yung talagang sukatan ng beauty nowadays, good mental health, being well-rounded, right?
Because it shows that.
It shows na hindi kailangan na.
And obviously, we have to be honest, no? The great majority naman po talaga of the people who are taking Hope Glow Super are taking it because they want to achieve that side effect nga. Now, if you're taking it for a long time, if you're taking a dose that is sufficient, your skin will really lighten, no? That the science behind that is clear. But again, we agree with Sophia na parang, you know, each their own. You know, people can express themselves with tattoos and piercing, then why not with the color of their skin as well?
Exactly. And you know, ngayon nga, Masa, we take pride in, you know, going out of the mold, right? So, that's good to know. Now, being a mom naman, baka umiyan na naman tayo, no? Let's prepare. Just kidding. Happy memories. You talked about how being a mom has made you more selfless. Like, when you're shopping, you tend to think more about what Zoe wants or what Zoe needs versus what you want or what you need. So how else has being a mom changed your priorities?
It changed my life, really, being a mom. Kasi I know my worth now. I know what I deserve. And yun yung question kanina, what's your purpose in life? Parang now I can navigate my path even clearer. So parang it's such a blessing in disguise. I know for some people, I got pregnant early and I never thought that I was going to be ready for something big. Kasi responsibility ko yun forever. And I think it's the biggest gift na binigay ni God for me. And I'm always be grateful na naging nanay ako. I'm not gonna cry again. Siguro tatawas na, bakit siya yung
Paki-play mo ng funny music para
Kaya naman. Oo. That is so nice. Really. Being a mom, you know, with women in moms, right? Yeah, there's a
They're real
term.
superheroes.
Yes, they're really superheroes. And being a mom is sort of
May power
using a
pang-
tunnel vision that you already have that person in front of you. So it
Mabigat.
makes you want to take more care
Ilan
of yourself. Diba? So be it
10,000.
being healthy nga, sabi ni Nika tsaka ni JC, beauty is being
Talikod.
healthy is being beautiful, and it shows in this person seated here. So ito, para lang medyo ma-break yung maalaala mo kaya, ang mood natin
Pero
dito,
pag-
being mom, no? Let's do fast talk, superpower. So, kayo na rin, sama na rin kayo para fun naman. Oo. So, the first superpower is super metabolism. You can eat as much as you want without gaining weight. Ano yun?
Churros.
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 Tapos,
Tapos unlimited pa.
unlimited.
Unlimited
Ang
pa.
sarap na nun. O, JC,
Ako,
ikaw.
chips.
Chips.
Any
Nika.
kind of potato chip.
Mm.
Ako hindi ako pwede kumain. I'll go for whole blue crystal.
Ay!
Okay, Crystal.
Wow, that's the best answer.
Kaya siya better half ko. Nakalimutan ko ang marketing angle.
Bawal pala ang chips.
Potato.
Oh, next, flight or super flight. You can fly to one place anywhere in the world. Where would you go? No limits to outer space ba to? Bahamas. Go!
Judgment.
No judgment. No judgment.
Kasi I wanted to work for NASA. So I wanna...
Kita mo, nakulaan mo yun.
Tignan niyo, see how
I
multi-dimensional she is.
know. Hindi lang papaputi.
Pangkalawakan. Celebrity pangkalawakan po si Sofia Andres. No, we're not making fun because that's amazing. Kasi like, we have kids also.
Parang-
We want them to
front
be able
lang.
to dream big. Diba?
Na, front lang yun.
And that's a great answer.
Nika,
Kaya
super flight.
Kaya rin na.
Japan.
Maririnig yung
Oh, JC, Japan.
Ako, I want to go to Paris with her. Ibibitig ko siya.
Lapit ka dito.
Pangkalawakan. At Easter pangkalawakan. Sofia Andres.
Hindi kailangan ng visa.
Ay, naganda, star for all dimensions. Oh, may nakagong name.
Next is invisibility. You can go to any place or any event in the Philippines without being recognized. Where would you go? I guess this one is really for you.
Festival.
That's nice. Parang hindi ko dumugin din.
I can do whatever I want. And people will judge.
Hindi na to
Pero
sino man.
dumugin
Long
din pala. May glow pala. Invisible glow. Next would be time travel. You go back in time and have a 5-minute conversation with pregnant Sofia Andres. What would you tell her?
You're going to be a great